In today's video, I'm at Brainerd International Raceway for Powercruise. Powercruise was started in Australia with the idea of bringing street culture into the racetrack for a safer environment. The event consists of drag racing, drifting, roll racing, burnout competitions, and of course the Powercruise. The dedication I've seen for this burnout competition is unlike anything else I've ever seen before. Some of these guys have cars built just for the burnout competition only. The drag racing portion of this is just some good old-fashioned guy waving two guys down the lane on a non-prepped road. Drifting actually had some of the most participants in this event. It was kind of hard to see some of the drifting in the big tracks like this, but when you do find a good corner, it was definitely nice seeing some high-speed drifting. The drifting was split into two different sections. There's also a smaller section where it's more of a lot, and you get to see more of the action because everything's up close. some I actually find this more exciting because they put out more than one car at a time. One of the activities I actually participated in was the roll racing, which is kind of like drag racing except you don't really go from a dead launch. And instead you start the race from like about 40 miles per hour. And the main event is the Powercruise. Now this one's a little hard to explain if you've never seen anything like this before. But what they can essentially do is turn the whole racetrack into a 2-lane highway. And everyone cruises around, and Brainerd has one of the longest straightaways for a racetrack. And they use that to roll race. So you're basically cruising around, and then you line up to whoever you want to race, and then you go down the straights against them. Now unfortunately for me, my car had less than 200 horsepower, being a 944 and all, so I pretty much just watch everyone fade away. Luckily I did know someone with a supercharged Corvette, and things definitely got more exciting.
Woo, this thing goes!
Another thing that makes the Powercruise even more fun is that you can bring as many passengers as you have seatbelts, and helmets aren't required either. I had a really fun time at Powercruise. I highly recommend this event, especially if you're in the Midwest. I also think this event is great for people who are interested in car culture or aren't even interested at all, because you can always take them on the cruise and give them a little peek of what it's all about.